Hey, I'm Will. How's it going? I'm a doctor, the father of 2 kids under the age of 3, and I'm the co-founder of Dr. Will's. I've got a real problem with hidden sugars in the food that we eat and the food that we feed our kids. Did you know that the market-leading bottle of ketchup contains 17 cubes of sugar? At Dr. Will's, we've created a range of no gunk, no junk condiments that are all naturally sweetened with dates and are made only with ingredients that you can pronounce. We started out on my kitchen table, but now we're stocked in Tesco stores nationwide and we're only just beginning. And I was horrified to hear stories of parents having to add ketchup laden with sugar to get their kids to eat vegetables. Then I met my co-founder, Josh Rose, who told me that 97% of British households have ketchup in their cupboards, and I was blown away. This just didn't add up. There had to be a better way to stop 97% of British households covering their food in sugar. I'm going to tell you the story of Dr. Will's in 5 steps, and then I'm going to tell you why we have the sauciest investment opportunity available to you this year. 1. We hold our first market stall in 2016 and sell out of all of our ketchup. 2. From our humble beginnings, we start selling at small independent retailers up and down the country. We grow our social media following to over 20,000 and start selling to the likes of Selfridges, Harvey Nichols and Ocado. 3. We win the first of our 5 Great Taste Stars, a BBC Good Food Award, and get featured in some amazing national press, including The Times, Telegraph, Time Out and The Sun. 4. In 2019, we build the on-trade side of our business, with our sauces becoming available in Crush, Pure, The Office Group, Citizen M hotels, and in the canteens of universities and office blocks up and down the country. 5. 2020 was a roller coaster year for us. When COVID hit, we lost all of our on-trade. That's 40% of the business overnight. We bounced back bigger and stronger than ever before, winning huge listings in Tesco and Waitrose. We sold 10,000 bottles in our first 2 months, and in doing so, we were able to give £10,000 worth of our sauce to food banks up and down the country. We were selected for the prestigious Tesco Incubator Programme, where the likes of Fever Tree, Deliciously Ella, Graze and Brewdog were raised. So despite COVID, we've managed to increase our revenue and our distribution points. To take on the big guys and really support sauce lovers up and down the country, we need your help. We need you to cash in on ketchup. But why should you invest? It's a huge market, over £14 billion globally and £770 million in the UK. And for such a huge market, it's totally dominated by 2 brands, Heinz in ketchup and Hellmann's in mayo. We're changing that, positioning Dr. Will's as the disruptive, healthier alternative. We want to get Dr. Will's into the hands and fridges of 100% of UK households. We've put down some great roots for future growth, but with your investment, we'll have the funds to become a nationally recognised brand in the UK, support our retailers with market-leading activations, grow distribution. We're in 1,500 stores, but there are 7,000 in the UK alone. Supercharge our direct-to-consumer channel, develop the most exciting products and condiments, and make our packaging even greener. More than this, we want to use your investment to make sure that children up and down the country grow up in a world where hidden sugars are not the norm, and instead, tasty, natural food is the obvious choice. Together, with your support and investment, we can change the face of sauce forever.